Scott Pasella with eXp Realty. I am a realtor in the area here, and I am here with Stuart Paluzzi and Melissa Paluzzi. They are real estate attorneys in the Naperville area. Thanks so much for joining me, guys.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thanks for having us.
So I wanted to just, I have a lot of buyers and sellers that ask me, do we really need to use a real estate attorney in the transaction? So I wanted to talk with the professionals and just learn a little bit more about your background, experience, and then kind of why people should use a real estate attorney,
Okay.
what the benefit is for that.
All right, sure thing. I've been in practice since 2002. I began practicing downtown at some large firms in the Chicago Loop area. Been on my own since 2010. Between us, Melissa and I have handled hundreds of real estate transactions. We've trained realtors, especially on the new contract for real estate transactions. We have a lot of experience that way. And just like any other professional practice area, though every attorney in Illinois is licensed and therefore could do a real estate transaction, you really should use people that actually handle real estate as a specialty. Just like any other practice area, whether it be litigation, employment, things of that nature, real estate is indeed a true practice area where you need the expertise of the people you're working with. The contract itself has a lot of different nuances to it. There's different events that go on during the contract, of things that have to be ordered or prepared in order to do a closing, that people that do this for a living are more experienced in doing it and be able to consult you and give you a better idea of what needs to be done so you don't have any problems with your transaction. So yeah, I think you absolutely should use a professional. In a criminal matter, I would not use me, but I would pick someone. But I would pick somebody that is a professional in the criminal area, because you really want to use someone that does that for a living. Exactly.
For sure, yeah, and it really does make a big difference when you use a specifically real estate attorney. The transaction goes a lot smoother, and I know you guys are always available to talk to clients, and Melissa, I know you deal with that a lot on that side as well, correct?
Right. We give clients our cell phone numbers, and they're able to call us in the evening, certainly during the day, and we get a lot of calls on the weekend too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because that's when the buyers are off, right? Their buyers and sellers
That's
are
when
off, and
stuff's
that's when
going
they're
on.
calling you. Yeah.
Yeah, what we got to view this is, for most people, other than if you're going to buy or sell a business, is probably the largest or more substantial transaction you're going to get involved in. So we realize that people have different schedules. We have the flexibility in order to field calls on nights and weekends if need be. Oftentimes there'll be issues that arise that may be serious, maybe not, but the buyer or seller isn't really sure and they want something addressed quickly, and we're able to do that. And I feel like that gives us an advantage in these deals. Mm-hmm. A lot of shops will close up at 5:36. You want an answer in the evening, you're never going to get it. You'll call the next morning, you'll talk to the paralegal. You call us, especially on the more serious issues, you're going to deal directly with me. Melissa, who's been in the industry now for more than 20 years as a lender before working in my office, has expertise in that area that most offices on the legal side don't have. Mm-hmm. So, in a lot of the issues that come up in a deal, especially after the initial period where you do attorney review, are all about the lending. Mm-hmm. And just like in your area with realtors, there's a scale of who's particularly good at this, whether it be on the lending side or on the attorney side or on the realtor side. And Melissa's able to fill a lot of gaps and provide information for people that have lending issues that are ongoing, to help us whether protect a buyer or to keep a seller informed as to what's really going on, so they can make smart decisions about whether to extend dates and so forth.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so, and that definitely sets you apart from other
I believe
real
so.
estate attorneys.
Yeah, we don't.
Sure.
We deal, and we've had cases where Melissa's expertise has allowed us to actually save deals that otherwise weren't going to happen.
Yeah.
Because she has the experience in the lending side to give some alternatives to buyers in situations that they otherwise weren't being communicated about, and it actually saved a couple of deals last month where they were able to buy a place that otherwise probably the deal's not getting done.
That's great. That's great. So if a buyer or seller or even another realtor wants to reach out to you to use your services, how can they go about doing that?
Probably the easiest way is just give us a call. You can call me directly at 708-476-6852, or Melissa's direct is 630-215-8209. Reach out to us. We then obviously can communicate after that via email, but we look forward to it.
Yeah. Awesome. Well, I hope you guys found that useful. My name is Lauren with eXp Realty. Have a great rest of your day.
Bye-bye.